Hey everybody, how you doing today? My name is Jordan Thomas and I'm on the Airtame account management team. Today I'm coming at you from New York City. Now the goal of Airtame Cloud is to reduce the amount of time that administrators spend on managing Airtame devices. And we do this for you in a number of ways. Immediately after logging in, you can get a helicopter view of the status of your deployed devices, as you can see on my screen here. This includes tracking the status of devices, the name, location, signal strength, and more. You're able to manage the settings, digital signage, and firmware of individual Airtames, or in bulk by site, or even system-wide. And today I'm going to highlight three new features that are a part of Airtame Cloud Plus, our advanced management and integrated digital signage platform. But first, I'll need to open up the settings panel of a Cloud Plus enabled Airtame 2. I've got our internal Airtame Cloud account open, and I'm going to click on Conference Room 1 and then hit Edit Settings. Once my settings panel is open, it defaults to the Appearance tab, and today I'm going to click on Schedules. Here you can find three options: Sleep Schedule, Update Schedule, and Reboot Schedule. I'll start with Sleep Schedule. Now, do you worry about screen burn-in on older displays, or do you hear the clock ticking on newer, more expensive displays that are left on 24 hours a day? Alternatively, do you suffer from black mirrors in your organization? Is important digital signage content being missed because someone forgot to turn the TV on in the morning? Well, with sleep scheduling, you have the ability to indicate when you want your Airtame-enabled displays to turn on and off throughout the week using CEC control. Most modern displays are CEC compatible, but they might require the Airtame to be plugged into a specific HDMI port, and you can double-check that in your display manual. When I enable Sleep Schedule, you'll notice two options: Turn Screen Off and When Not in Use. When you choose Turn Screen Off, the Airtame will do just that. Turn the display off and on again at pre-selected times on pre-selected days. In this example, my screen will turn on at 8 o'clock in the morning and turn off at 5 p.m., Monday through Friday. Now, if you select When Not in Use, the Airtame will turn off after a specific amount of time has passed since the most recent stream ended. If 5 minutes is selected, the screen will turn off 5 minutes after I click Stop Stream. In both scenarios, the screens are off, but the Airtame remains on and connected to the cloud. This means you'll still have access to the entire suite of Airtame Cloud features at all times. The Airtame will also be visible in the Airtame app, and clicking Share Screen while the screen is off will wake the screen up, allowing you to present. When you hit Stop, it will go back to sleep according to the rule that you have set. Next up, we have Update Schedule. Now, we ensure that firmware updates are batched and released periodically, and while we push updates out early in the morning Central European time, we can't guarantee that they won't disrupt your meetings and classes. Now, imagine not being able to use your Airtame because it is actively updating. Annoying, right? Well, with scheduled updates, we allow you to configure when your Airtame updates will be received and installed. Want updates to be installed at night or over the weekend? No problem. Now you can easily configure your Airtames to do just that. With this default setting, the Airtames will update at any time of day on any day of the week. All I have to do is move my slider over to adjust the time and then indicate which days I would prefer to receive updates. Finally, we have reboot schedules. With day and time options identical to scheduled updates, you can now easily mandate that your Airtames reboot regularly. This ensures that devices will automatically power cycle on a scheduled cadence and flush their RAM to ensure they're always performing at their best. Now, thanks a lot for listening today, and I hope you liked all three of the new features. If you have any questions, you can reach out to your account manager or to Airtame support at support@airtame.com. You can also share your feedback directly on our public-facing roadmap. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.